Alright, we got a 2015 Hyundai Genesis. We're going to be replacing the brakes. So, I'm going to start off by taking out the wheel. I'm going to take out the wheel. We need to grab it. For this one, we need a 21mm and a wheel lock. So, let's go ahead and start taking that off. Grab your wheel and pull it out. And over here is your brakes. Alright, in order to take these brakes out, we need to take this cover off. So we're going to be taking these 6 bolts out first. They're going to be 10s. We're just going to start off by loosening them first. Those are loose. We're going to grab our electric wrench. Alright, with our electric wrench, let's go ahead and start taking these off. Start taking these out. Put them aside, somewhere you won't lose them. And take out the last one. And grab it out. And grab this as well. Put it to the side. And over here, now we got access to what will be our brakes. Now in order to take these out, we need to take just this one out and that one out. Alright, then in order to take the screws out, grab your pocket screwdriver. Simply lift up. Always catch them because you're gonna need those later. If your new set does not come with a new one, you're gonna have to reuse those old ones as well. Alright, the next step after that would be to grab here with some pliers and just shake it out a bit. As you can see, they loosen up. Let's go on and grab this out as well. Alright, now both of those loosen, we're going to grab another tool. We're going to grab a pry bar and maybe a small hammer to just pull them out. Alright, that's the one. We're going to try getting the other one out. We're going to have to loosen that one a little more. Alright. Alright. Alright, now that those are out, now we can pull out the brakes. Simply just grab it and pull. Put it to the side. Grab the other one, which is right here. Grab and pull. Go ahead and start taking these clips out. And now we're going to do a clean. Simply grab a wire brush right here and start cleaning it up. Now to the top part. Don't forget to brush the center. Alright, now with that cleaned up, I'm going to go on ahead and start putting these back in. You'll be putting these back in with the brand new set. And do another clean, just to verify everything's good. Now with those in, you're going to put in your brake pads. You make sure everything goes in well. Now that that one's installed, go ahead and grab the other one and install. Now that those are in, go ahead and grab your pins. Make sure they're meeting at all times. Once you've installed them together, you're going to go ahead and install the bolts back on. And once the bolts are on, go on ahead and start putting the wheel back on. Alright, go ahead and pick up your wheel. Install. Grab your lugs. Grab your lugs and go ahead and start installing. Alright, now with the lugs on, let's go ahead and start gunning them in. Now what we're all going to do is just torque the wheels down to square and we'll be good to go. In this case, these are going to be torqued down to 95 foot-pounds. And that's how you do your brakes.